Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about osmosis, which is a special type of diffusion with the movement of water molecules only. First, let's look at what is osmosis. The definition of osmosis is that it is the movement of water molecules from a region of higher water potential to a region of lower water potential across a partially permeable membrane. It is actually a special type of diffusion, which is to describe the movement of water molecule only. It is a passive process, which means that it does not require energy from the cell. When we talk about osmosis, we need to use the term water potential to explain it. Water potential is a measure of the tendency of water molecules to move. A solution with high water potential is more dilute, while a solution with a low water potential is more concentrated. Pure water has the highest water potential. Water always moves from a region of higher water potential to lower water potential until equilibrium is reached. Besides that, osmosis occurs across partially permeable membranes such as cell membranes. These membranes allow only small-sized particles such as water molecules to pass through but restrict the movement of larger solute molecules such as sugars and ions. In animal cells, osmosis affects cell volume, or the water content inside the cell. If an animal cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, which means a solution with a higher water potential, water enters the cell by osmosis, causing it to swell and possibly burst. This bursting is called lysis. If an animal cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, which means a solution with lower water potential, water leaves the cell by osmosis, causing it to shrink. In plant cells, osmosis is essential for maintaining structure. When a plant cell is in a hypotonic solution, water enters the cell and then enters the vacuum by osmosis, increasing turgor pressure. The cell becomes turgid, which helps support the plant. When a plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, water leaves the cell, causing the cell membrane to pull away from the cell wall. This process is called plasmolysis and results in the plant wilting. Osmosis is also important for water uptake in plants. Water moves into root hair cells by osmosis because the soil solution has a higher water potential than the cell sap. This allows water to move up the plant and be used in processes such as photosynthesis and transport. In conclusion, osmosis is the movement of water across a partially permeable membrane from a region of high to low water potential. It plays a crucial role in maintaining cell volume, providing support in plants, and allowing efficient water uptake. Understanding osmosis is essential for explaining how cells survive in different environments. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.